Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Techify with Adil. So today in our video we will be seeing how to do macros. Okay, I know that usually macros is always kept aside because we need to know programming for using the macros. Yes, actually macros is like a set of VBA script, like having programming done with VBA to do the automated task. Like if you have going to do a same task repeatedly in your Excel that contains multiple steps, you need not waste time in doing the steps repeatedly every time. Instead you can just do it with one button click. So this is the purpose of using macros. But yes, as we all know, it is done in a VBA script, so we should have the knowledge. But now we have an option called record macros thanks to that. So this record macros option is like step recording in our Windows. So usually Windows we have a step recording option, so someone of no, a lot of us have used that. So that will record your steps when you're doing. Similarly, this, if you enable the step, once you start the record macros, it will start recording the steps what you do and convert it into a VBA script and it will store it. So any another time when you're going to select this macros and run it, then it will run the same steps which you have run earlier. So the steps which you are doing will be converted into VBA and it will be stored. So now we will be seeing how we do this steps. Actually this will be very helpful when you're doing when you're going to repeatedly every month do the task. Like every month we'll be doing some tasks like doing consolidating the patching list, consolidating the update for applications and all those lists. Then we will be communicating with the user, all those kind of things. We have to do the same step again, just the data will vary, but the steps what we do is going to be the same. So instead of repeating it every month, we can just do it with the one time effort. Just prepare one time, then prepare a button, just click it, boom. Yeah, just go to more options, then under the customize ribbon you will see the developer tab here. Just need to enable it, then you will find the developer tab. So I'm using this data for our example. So we have the record macro option here, so we just click on record macros, then you will ask for macros. You can say this as TR report, then store macros in this workbook, or you want to create a new, so you can choose. So I'll save it here, then just click OK. Click OK. Here now I'm going to the step 1. We do the data consolidation, data validation. Here we use list, then the list going to be Jan to August, then here is going to be total leave TVS scheduled and completed. Actually in the previous video for chart, I think for the chart video I have already used the same data, same thing, so I'm just using it here again. So here we will be using the VLOOKUP, so the value will be here, then table of array will be this, then column index number, the total, this one is number 2, then false. Okay, so the value will be constant, so same column and same row, and this data will be also constant as well. There is no changes, only the changes will be in the column index number. So we will just drag it down. So leave will be 3rd, then this is to be scheduled will be 4th, and scheduled will be 5 and completed will be 6. So this is our report, consolidated report. So based on the month you choose, your report will be keeping updated. So here I'm going to use this data to create a chart. So this is the chart. I put the chart over here. So this is the steps. Now we go to developer tab, then stop recording. So we have stopped recording. So what we do, we take the data again, go to new sheet. Say consider this is your new information. Maybe the previous one is for 2023 and you're creating same kind of chart and same data for 2024. So you need not do the same steps from the VLOOKUP and preparing the data validation again. You just have your data like this, then you can use the macros. So this is the macro. Just click on macros, you will have the macros. In case if you're having macros in different worksheets also, you still can pull it. Just need to choose the worksheet, then you can pull it. For this, currently this is under this worksheet, so this is the one. So I'm just going to click on run. So I have the chart, I have the data here. So I choose February, I get the February data. I get the March, I get the March data. I get May, I get the May data. So it's just one button now. So I no need to do the step which I did for every time. I no need to repeat that, just do it with one button. So like this you can create your macros, then you can save your macros here, then you can use it. If you want to just you can see here, this is actually the script, the VBA script for the macros. So usually the developers who know how to write the scripts, they will be usually writing the scripts directly and they will store it as VBA, then it will be running. So now we have an easy option for who don't have knowledge of scripting, who don't know to write programs. They can just use this record macros step. So they can record it, and that record, your steps will be converted into the VBS, Visual Basics. Then that will be recreated again whenever you use the recorded macros. So this is very quite easy and very helpful for us when we having lot of steps to do, because each time when we have a bigger data, we will have to do lot of steps, then we will have our consolidation. So instead of each time repeating the same steps again, we can have it recorded in the macros and use it. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel Techify with Adil for more such videos. Share with your friends for them to get benefited as well. Thank you.